Have you ever wondered how to make money with artificial intelligence? This question rings in the minds of many, as we are living in an era where technology continually shapes and reshapes our world. Today's digital landscape is filled with numerous opportunities, and AI is at the forefront of these possibilities. From automating mundane tasks, optimizing business processes, to generating exciting new technologies, AI has proven it's massive in every walk of life. But how can one leverage this technological boon to create a steady income stream? This is a question that has intrigued both technology enthusiasts and seasoned entrepreneurs. With its vast applications in various sectors, it's clear that AI holds a wealth of untapped potential. Whether you're a seasoned tech expert or a novice looking to break into the tech industry, understanding the potential of AI can open up numerous income opportunities. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 ways to do just that. AI in business automation. This powerful technology known as artificial intelligence has the capability the way businesses operate. AI has revolutionized the business landscape, offering novel solutions to automate mundane and repetitive tasks, which were previously performed by humans. By automating these tasks, businesses can dramatically enhance their efficiency, productivity, and quality of work. Consider this: a manufacturing company incorporating AI-powered robots into its assembly line. These robots, equipped with intelligent algorithms and machine learning capabilities, can outperform humans in terms of speed, accuracy, precision. They can work tirelessly round the clock without breaks or vacations, thereby reducing the production downtime and increasing output. Similarly, in the banking sector, the implementation of AI for approving loans has streamlined the process, making it faster and more accurate. It has eliminated the need for manual review, thereby minimizing errors and expediting the approval process. These are just a few instances demonstrating the immense potential of AI in automation. By implementing AI, businesses can do more than just save costs. They can also optimize their operations and increase their profit margins substantially. Such is the profound impact of AI in business automation, leading to significant cost savings and increased profit margins. AI-powered customer service. Artificial intelligence, through chatbots and virtual assistants, holds the power to completely transform the face of customer service. These AI-driven tools are capable of taking the load off the human staff by handling a multitude of customer inquiries and support tasks 24/7, providing consistent service of the time or day. With their ability to tirelessly work round the clock, they significantly reduce operational costs which would otherwise be invested in human resources. An increase in efficiency is another benefit, as chatbots can handle tasks in a fraction of the time that a human would need. This efficiency frees up human agents, enabling them to focus on more intricate and complex tasks that require a human touch. The overall impact of these factors? A significant boost in profitability, paving the way for a more successful and customer-focused business, all leading to higher profitability. Data analysis and insights. Artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, has found a significance in the realm of data analytics. In the modern age, where data is becoming increasingly convoluted and voluminous, AI has emerged as a powerful tool. AI takes charge of deciphering this complicated, multifaceted data, transforming it into valuable insights that businesses can leverage to their advantage. One significant element AI in this context is predictive analytics. This facet of AI allows businesses to look into the future, so to speak. It helps them predict customer behavior, discern upcoming market trends, and even identify potential improvements in operational efficiencies. Through these anticipatory insights, businesses can make strategic decisions that are not only smarter but also beneficial in the long run. These decisions, underpinned by AI's predictive analytics, enable businesses to drive up their revenues, thereby increasing overall profitability. Data analysis and insights indeed forms the crux of this process, driving strategic decisions that lead to increased revenues. AI in e-commerce. Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, has found its application in the vibrant and fast-paced e-commerce sector. The primary reason for its widespread usage lies in its ability to provide a highly personalized shopping experience tailored to individual customer preferences and past interactions. It has been instrumental in revolutionizing the way businesses operate through its vital role in inventory management, AI algorithms help businesses predict their inventory needs more accurately, hence avoiding overstocking or understocking, which can be detrimental to business operations. In addition, AI has proven to be extremely effective in detecting and preventing fraudulent transactions, a common challenge in the e-commerce world. This has resulted in significant cost savings for businesses and bolstered customer trust and loyalty. Increased customer loyalty in turn leads to repeat sales, thus driving up the overall sales figures, which translates to higher sales. AI-driven marketing. The transformative impact of AI on the marketing landscape is nothing short of revolutionary. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, is capable of revolutionizing the way businesses market their products and services by delivering highly personalized advertisements. These advertisements are meticulously tailored to align seamlessly with individual customer interests, preferences, and behaviors. By diligently analyzing customer responses, feedback, and engagement, AI can provide invaluable insights. These insights aid businesses in refining and enhancing their marketing strategies. This is done by identifying what works and what doesn't, enabling businesses to tailor their approach more effectively. This leads to more efficient and impactful marketing campaigns, thereby contributing to a significant increase in sales and overall business growth. AI for financial services. The advent of artificial intelligence has begun to revolutionize numerous sectors, and the financial industry is no exception. AI is transforming the realm of finance in unprecedented ways. It's elevating the field with the introduction of algorithmic trading, a system that utilizes complex AI algorithms to make lightning-fast trades based on pre-established trading rules. These algorithms analyze extensive market data, identifying trends and making effective trades at a speed and precision unmatched by human traders. Additionally, AI is making significant in fraud detection. By leveraging machine learning and pattern recognition, AI can swiftly identify suspicious activities, thereby bolstering security in financial transactions. Moreover, AI is being employed to manage risk effectively. By accurately predicting market trends and analyzing potential threats, AI is helping to mitigate the risks involved in financial transactions. The inclusion of AI in these areas is proving to be highly beneficial. The integration of these innovations can lead to safer and more secure transactions, a significant reduction in the risks involved, and an increase in returns for investors. It goes without saying that the future of the financial industry is intertwined with the advancement of AI. AI for financial services. AI in healthcare. AI can drastically improve outcomes in healthcare, from advanced diagnostics to personalized medicine and drug discovery. This results in cost savings, improved patient care, and opens up new revenue streams. AI entrepreneurship. AI offers a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs. Leveraging AI to solve complex problems can lead to innovative businesses that disrupt traditional industries, creating potential for significant financial success. Investing in AI. Investing in AI technology doesn't just mean buying stocks in tech companies, it's about betting on a transformative technology that's set to redefine industries. Whether through shares in tech giants, investing in AI startups, or AI-focused funds and ETFs, there are numerous ways to profit from the growth of this technology. Creating AI solutions. Developing AI-based solutions to complex problems can be a lucrative venture. Whether it's creating an AI-based app, offering AI consulting services, or developing AI-powered products, there's a wealth of opportunities for those with the skills and creativity to harness the power of AI. So there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money with AI. Remember, investing in AI is not just about making money, but about making a difference.